Hello guys, good morning. This is our old dining chair. We bought new one. We are throwing it away. My husband already brings some. So I'm going to my killer. I want to take some meat for cooking because I'm going to be cooking today. This is our basement. Not be a basement, not the color. This is our basement. I'm going inside to collect meat because we go to slaughter and I'm going in with this bag. So let's go there. Let me flip the camera. These are some of the things we have in our killer. So let's go there. Let's go there, guys. I'm here to collect meat to cook. I'm here to collect some mendes to cook. Okay. I need cow leg. Let me take two cow leg. Then this one is cow tea. This one is tongue. This one you need to boil it and scrape it. This one is tongue. I need it. What else do I need? Let me add cow leg to it. Cow tea to it. Then this one is fishaki. I need one. This food I'm not going to cook it now. This one is meat. That is the skin bone. The skin bone. I need to scatter this one. I can't scatter it. Make I'm not gonna go spoil my fridge. I scatter it on the floor. That is better. So let's continue. Let me take fish. We have tilapia fish. The tilapia the lizard fish of back and you my even the other fish. Microfish we don't have again. We need to do shopping again. So let me just use this one. I will dry it. I'll dry it. If you dry it, the sweet way. The sweet way. If you dry the fish, they cook. I go see I want cook. I still get a cook for down. So I think we still have bitter leaf also. So let's go there, guys. Thanks for watching. Share my video, like, comment. So I'm back, guys. I'm back up. So let me show you guys what I brought from the killer. Okay, no, let me turn the camera. So these are all the meat I'm going to be using. So that is it, guys. And we don't have other things. So see, these are the things we are going to be using. I'm going to I will allow it to melt. So if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up, share, comment to support your girl. If you like this video, you like family life, family things, Some people like it, some people don't like it, but for me, I love it. At least every day you will have your own organic content to post. And this is my already soaked momo from Nigeria. I'm still washing though. This one. This was the first time I ordered momo from Nigeria. It's going to be the last time. Unless I go there myself, because they will roast it. It's too much job. It's too much job. I will not want you to go through it. It's too much job. Ah, my daughter forget her this thing here. It's too much job. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make I shake my yash for them. Small. Gigi. Now they see my yash. Gigi. 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 My yash they shake. My yash they shake. They shake. My yash they shake. They shake. And they shake out for now. Go one pull like and love for this video. My yash they shake. They shake. And make I drink my early morning water. Now no see if I did create any content. I'll drink my early morning water. It's very good. I'm going to finish this water. I will sit again. Tomorrow, guys, in the morning, I will do a video of my supplements, vitamin C, different vitamins. I have up to 6 I take every morning to make me, some for hair, some for color, everything. I will do it on another video. If I add it to this, it will be too long. Maybe if I'm cooking later, I will do it. Okay, thank you.